Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Mark Ian Pascua from Baxil, San Juan, Ilocos Sur, and I'm presenting to you my thesis project entitled St. Dominic Mushroom Research and Development Center, a Bioclimatic Design Integration. Introduction. Project background. Mushroom farming has become popular all over the world with advancement and dissemination of information on its cultivation technology. Mushroom cultivation has been in the Philippines since the 19th century, but despite having been long introduced in the country more than a century ago, the Philippines' contribution to the local mushroom demands is only at 10% to date. Although it can be a profitable business, many Filipinos do not venture into mushroom farming due to lack awareness. Its present cultivation in this country is limited, perhaps due to insufficiency of planting materials and the limited local knowledge about its culture. Statement of the problem. The way we make food must change. Significance of the study. To the community. Generate more jobs for the local community by establishing a new space for research and development center. Helps promote alternative food and other mushroom advantages to the community. Produce a physical design for mushroom research and mushroom production to help in driving economic activity and growth in the province. To the field of architecture. The project is undertaken to come up an application of an innovation to the physical problem and prove that bioclimatic design can be integrated in the Research and Development Center. Introduce innovative functions of the Mushroom Research Center other than laboratory, mushroom farm tourism. Project goal and objectives. Goal: to establish a research center that will cater researchers and training for mushroom production as well as cultivating and domesticating wild mushrooms. Objectives: to design a mushroom center where bioclimatic architecture is applied and promotes agritourism. To establish mushroom center to attract investors. To design a mushroom center to promote and develop mushroom products. Project location. The site is located at Barangay Kimarayan, Santo Domingo, Ilocos Sur. The site is approximately 1.231 km The total lot area of the site is 8,099.3446 square meters. The site has an irregular polygonal shape. The site is accessible to all vehicles like van, truck, motorcycle, car, bus, and bicycle. The site has good panoramic view of the farmlands. Plentiful fresh cold breeze produced by the northeastern and southwestern monsoon. Large portion of the site receives the strong mid-afternoon sun. Large percentage of the site takes the storm wind throughout rainy season. This slide shows you the vicinity map and the electrical post of the site. SWOT analysis. Strengths: good panoramic view of the farmlands. Plentiful fresh cold breeze produced by the northeastern and southwestern monsoon. Accessible to all local vehicles. The site has its own water source. Weaknesses: large portion of the site receives the strong mid-afternoon sun. Large percentage of the site takes the storm wind throughout rainy season. The site is flood zone area. Opportunities: the location has a good encompassing viewpoints from all boundaries. Threats: rainwater may form puddles due to the flat nature of the site, and when water overflows from the river, filling of the low areas of the site is probable option. Site development plan. The main building is oriented to the northeastern part of the site, and the mushroom growing building is oriented to the eastern part facing the main building. The main entrance of the project is located at the eastern part, and the emergency exit is located at the southwestern part of the site. And there are 29 parking spaces, 2 bus parking spaces, and 10 motorcycle spaces. Design philosophy. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, by Leonardo da Vinci. Evolution of form. My form took place by considering the local climate. I came up with a bahay kubo form as exterior look of my building plus considering the characteristics of it. adding my building a more efficient and modern look of bioclimatic architecture. Design considerations: environmental responsive, energy efficiency, food security, resiliency, bioclimatic architecture. Innovative approach: bioclimatic design. Bioclimatic architecture is a type of architecture where balance and harmony are constant with the environment. Thermal comfort is sought taking into account the climate and environment conditions. Passive solar. The reduction of energy consumption in buildings can be achieved by simple methods and techniques, using appropriate building design and energy-efficient system and technologies such as passive solar systems. Green solution. Design with the nature is in order to minimize the negative environmental impact of buildings. Energy efficient. Better insulation, more efficient windows, doors, and skylights, as well as high-efficiency air conditions can also contribute to a more efficient building, minimizing energy causing appliances and machines. Bioclimatic architecture refers to the design of buildings and spaces based on local climate aimed at providing thermal and visual comfort, making use of solar energy and other environmental sources. Basic elements of bioclimatic design are passive solar systems which are incorporated onto buildings and utilize environmental sources for heating, cooling, and lighting the buildings. Innovation applied: solar panels, breeze blocks, sun shadings, and louvers. Architectural drawings and perspectives. Research and Development Center floor plan. The Research and Development Center floor plan is divided into 5 departments. The Administration Department, Lecture Room, Library, Mushroom Product Processing Area, Mycology Laboratory. And it has 2,500 square meter building area. Administration floor plan. The Administration Department has waiting area, accounting office, clerical office, office supply storage, executive office, conference room, pantry with toilet, janitor closet, and electrical room, and it has 170 square meter floor area. Lecture room floor plan has 2 lecture rooms, lecturer's office, conference room, mushroom production department office, food production department office, and it has 281 square meter floor area. Mushroom product processing floor plan. The mushroom product processing has cafeteria, food counter, food prep area, kitchen, production office, dishwashing area, cold and dry storage, cooking training room, tool storage, executive chef office, manager's office, finished product packaging room, and finished product cold storage, and staff lockers. And it has 725 square meter floor area. Mycology laboratory floor plan has researcher's office area, waiting area, clean up room, isolation lab, evaluation area, determination area, students laboratory, cold storage, and equipment storage. And it has 300 square meter floor area. Mushroom growing building floor plan. It has 1,465 square meter total floor area. This is the elevation of the Research and Development Center. This is the sectional view of the Research and Development Center. This is the elevation of the mushroom growing building. And this is the sectional view of the mushroom growing building. The architectural base section spotted the sun shading louvers, ventilation louvers, indoor landscape, awning window, green wall, and the breeze blocks. This is the structural concept. Perspectives.